Standard 7th Reproduction in Plants Part 2 Vegetative Propagation. In some plants, any vegetative parts of a plant such as the root, stem or leaf can give rise to a new plant. Vegetative means connected with plants and propagation means to produce a new plant using a parent plant. Vegetative propagation through roots. The swollen tuberous roots are rich in sugar. Such roots can be stored and sown in the next sowing season. Example: tuberous roots of sweet potato and dahlia, when detached from the parent plants, can grow into new plants. Vegetative propagation through the stem. There are different types of stem. First, rhizomes. It grow and develop buds. It can be cut into sections so that each section contain at least one bud. Example: such as bamboo, ginger, banana, turmeric, propagated from underground stems. Tuber. Potato is a modified stem and has buds. It is a tuber when a piece of potato containing a bud is planted into the soil. It can be grown into a new potato plant. Third, bulbs. Bulbs are underground stems. When thick leaves, new plants can arise from bulbs. Example: onions, garlic, lilies and tulip propagate from bulbs. Runner. Many plants have long thin stems called runners. A runner's root and sprout new leaves wherever it touches the soil. This gives rise to new plants. Example: most types of grasses and strawberry plants propagate in this manner in natural conditions. Vegetative propagation through leaves. The leaves of bryophyllum plants produce buds on their margins. The buds grow into plantlets. These plantlets get detached from the leaf and grow into new plants. Now, artificial methods of vegetative propagation. There are 4 types: cutting, grafting, layering and tissue culture. Cutting. Plants such as rose, cactus can be propagated through cutting from their stem. When its cutting buried in the soil, it grows into a new plant. Grafting. It is used for good variety of plant. It is the act of placing a portion of one plant into or on a stem, root or branch of another in such a way that a union will be formed and the partners will continue to grow. The part of the combination that provides the root is called the stalk. It is mainly used for change variety and repair damaged plants. Layering. In plants such as jasmine and grapevine, a method of propagating a plant in which a shoot is fastened down to form roots while still attached to the parent plant. After a few weeks, new roots develop and the plant is separated from the mother plant. Tissue culture. A method of biological research in which fragments of tissue from plants are transferred to an artificial environment in which they can continue to survive and function. It is widely used to produce clones of a plant in a method known as micropropagation.